Hi, welcome to Artful at Home. I'm Miss Grams. I'm so glad you've come to join me today. Is that you, Elijah? You, Vivi? I'm so happy you're here because today we're going to make a sculpture of an animal that you can put into a biome. Now, this is a biome that I made before. It's a grassland biome, and I was thinking of the North American prairie biome, but you can very easily turn it into the African Savannah grassland biome by adding the apex predator of the savanna, the African lion. And to do that, I'm going to make my own clay. It's like a clay dough. You start with 3/4 of a cup of salt, a cup and a half of flour, and I need to add another half cup of flour. I'll show you how we do that. You scoop it out. It's a little too much, and then you just kind of flatten it out like that. So you can make your own dough. If you don't want to mix your own dough, you can buy Play-Doh. Play-Doh works fine too. So if you want to do it with Play-Doh, you can do it with Play-Doh. But I like to make my own stuff because of the squish. This is a half a cup of water. I'm going to pour it in. And now is the squish part. Squish. Now the thing is, you don't want the dough to be too wet. If it's too wet, your animals will flop over. You want it to be kind of dry, but not so dry. So I'm mixing it and mixing it. I really would like to add a little bit more water. And if I do have to add more water, you're going to add it little by little so you don't get too much. I'm going to add a little bit more, little by little bit more. There we go. It's coming together. The heat of your hands. This is different from clay. Remember, when we're working with clay at school, I'm always saying, don't get it too dried out. Don't overwork it. But with this dough, you really want to squish it, get it together, and as soon as you can shape it, it's ready. Okay, now this recipe that I'm giving you is enough to probably make 2 animals. Okay, it's nice and stiff, and as you work with it, it will get even stiffer. So the animal I'm going to make is the apex predator of the African savannah, the lion. And the reason I picked the lion, well, it is the apex predator, but I think I need a little bit more water. I hate to do that though. Is then you get to use our favorite clay tool, the squeezer. So if you have a garlic press, ask your grown-ups if you can use a garlic press. Now to make your lion, I'm going to make it into some shapes for the head. Got a shape for the head, a shape for the body. Now I don't know if this clay will stand up. We'll see. Maybe if he's not too big, he will stand up. So here we go. Here's a shape for the body. Oh, maybe that's too much. Keep pinching. And to stick it on, you add a little bit of water, and that works like that clay glue. You can stick on your lion head. Does that look like a lion? Not yet. Okay, so it's easier probably if you want to make your lion sitting down on the ground like he's resting there. That's what lions do most of the day. Now I'm going to try to get him to stand up. We'll see. If I can roll a coil, maybe kind of a longish coil like this, like a hot dog. Okay, to make legs, I need to divide my hot dog into how many pieces? 4, did you say? I think that will work for legs. Now, I'm a little bit of a hurry because I don't want to take forever on the video. So here's a leg. Here's a leg. Here's a leg. Oh, he's coming together. Okay, there. He's standing up. Yay. Well, he needs a tail. Maybe I can just pinch out a tail. I don't know. I might have to add one. So here. Now, does he look like a lion now? Not really, not yet. Not yet, my lion. It's coming though, just wait, because I'm going to get my squeezer. Now this is where he's going to turn into a lion. I put a little dough inside the squeezer, and I'm going to squeeze it through. Oh, there's his mane. See, it's coming. You have to put some water on his head. Okay, and then you can kind of squeeze out his mane. Oh, yeah, that's kind of cool. Now, is he looking like a lion? A little bit more. Okay, like that. So now is he looking like a lion? You can squeeze out more and more. Like that. Okay, like that. So now he is looking, I think, more lion-y. And I'm going to take a toothpick. I'm going to give him some eyes. There's an eye. There's an eye. He's got a nose here and a nose here. I could open his mouth if I want to, like that, by sticking in the toothpick. I thought I had a mouth there. Okay, there. He's looking a little more like an animal. Okay, you can see the eye. So there's my lion. Now I can add more details. I can make claws on his feet. Like that, like that, like that. Okay, so now I think he is awesome. I might work on him a little bit more, thinking maybe I'm going to add some hair. I can make him hairy if I want to. You can do things with the texture, but I think he is looking very lion-y, like that. Now he needs to bake in the oven about 250 degrees for an hour or so. I wanted to make a pangolin, but also I wanted to show you how you can paint your lion. Okay, now I don't have a lion ready. I have a dinosaur. Okay, these are some dinosaurs I painted before. And you can make your own paint. If you don't have watercolor, all you need is water and some food coloring. And you can make your own paint by just squirting it in there. If you don't want to paint your lion red, you can make a nice brown color. Do you remember how to make brown? A little bit of red. And here's some paint I already made. Ooh, it's going to make it brownish. I don't really brown. Let's see. A little brown. Ooh, I'll just make it brown. Oh, see, it's turning kind of brownish. I think more green. Anyway, you get the idea. You can paint your sculpture. You know, I think you could probably do a little better than this. How much time do we have, Mr. Bobby? A couple minutes still? Well, maybe I could make a pangolin, because not everybody wants an African savanna. You might want to make a desert, and a pangolin would be perfect. A nice little anteater. So I would just shape the legs. I would probably do it the way I did the lion, but I want to go kind of quickly. And the pangolin needs he needs a big tail. Big tail. This is kind of the worst pangolin I've ever seen. But maybe you can make a better one. Well, he's coming. Big tail, and I wanted to make scales. And to make scales, if you find like the top of a marker, this thing, you can make a scale texture on a pangolin like that. And I think actually you could probably do better. So you don't have to just make a lion. You can make any animal that you would like to for any biome that you would like to. You just have to think about the details of your animal and how you're going to shape it, okay? And I hope you have a lot of fun. This project looks like there's a lot of big things going on, but really once you start doing it, it's not so hard. It's fun to make your own clay. You can make a really nice little lion, or kind of a scruffy looking pangolin, whatever you like. Have so much fun with your project, and be sure to take a picture and send it to me. Bye.